Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Remington Air 3D. So it was sent to me by Remington France. I'm going to unbox it and also use it to blow dry my hair so you guys can see what it looks like.
You are murder me. You are murder me. You are murder me. She said she want.
So basically, this is what the inside of the package looks like. It comes with a hair dryer, a diffuser, and two other heads for the hair dryer. It also comes with a silicone mat that you can place your hair dryer while you are using it. I honestly love the packaging that it comes with. It's so easy to arrange your stuffs when you're done using them.
Slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this. She already know.
So it has two switches on the dryer. The upper one is for the hot temperature, while the lower one is for the cold temperature. So this one is the diffuser. It's mostly used for coily hair. Let's say you want to bring back your curls, you use this to blow dry your hair.
Murder me. So make you give them, girl.
So I washed my hair this morning. It's a bit dried now, so I sprayed water on it because I like to blow dry my hair while it's still wet. I believe it's the right thing to do. So I'm just going to unravel the twist and then apply some oil on my hair. I'm going to be applying the Mamiya Organics Argan Growth Oil on my hair before blow drying it. So to blow dry my hair, I'll be using the medium heat.
You are murder me. You are murder me. You are murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh. Vehicles, bad man, I see. Bulaka.
So guys, this is my final take on this 3D air dryer. It's lightweight and the heat that comes out of it doesn't dry out the moisture on my hair, which I absolutely love. And also the cord that comes with it is extremely long. And this is the second hair dryer that I'm receiving from Remington France, but this happens to be my favorite, of course. That's all for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Oh Lord of His mercy, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You are murder.